Mush here. So today, to help celebrate Father's Day, we're gonna make a grill. All right, because usually for Father's Day, we're grilling, having a good time, watching golf, just having a nice time because it's summer. Well, it's almost summer, and that's what you do in the summer. So let's get to it. We're gonna make one of those classic charcoal grills. So I have a red ball of clay, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a pinch pot like this, okay? Just like this. And I'm gonna flatten the top. I'm gonna flatten the bottom a little bit, and I'm gonna roll it out because I want it to be round because it's generally round, okay? Just like this, okay? I'm gonna flatten the bottom just a little bit, stretch it out. If you need to smooth it, do what you need to do, okay? Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some black clay and I'm gonna I'm gonna flatten this a little bit, but I'm gonna roll out some tiny black balls, and that's gonna be the coal that we put in to help us burn and make our hamburgers, okay? And then I'm going to do that, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of gray in there, and I'm gonna make smaller ones because sometimes there's ashes in there, okay? And it just gives it a bit of a variety, just like that. And then I think I'll do one more. And then we'll add some yellow and orange for the flames, and we'll put them inside. So I'm just rolling this out, I'm smushing it, and I'm kind of making it like a flower petal, like this, okay? And then I'm gonna take my orange, and I'm gonna smush it like this. And you know what you can do is you can take a little bit of yellow like this, get that flower petal shape, and then take a little bit of orange, do the same thing, smush it down, and you could put it inside like this, okay? And you could stick it in there as well. All right, and you can do the opposite. You can do orange like this, and then put a yellow on the inside, okay? So I know I like hamburgers. I almost said hot dogs. I'm a hamburger guy. What do you like more, hamburger or hot dogs? I know Charlie likes hot dogs. Charlie will actually eat anything, okay? He's like a human garbage. Well, he's not a human. He's like a dog garbage disposal. He will eat anything. All right, so I'm happy with this. We got our charcoal, we got our flames. So now I'm gonna take my gray, and if you don't have gray clay, all you have to do is mix black and white. And now I'm gonna make the actual grill part, and I'm just rolling out coils, okay? And I'm just gonna lay it out and then see where I gotta take it off, okay? And then I'm just gonna do this several times and have it go across. You wanna try to make sure your coils are like the same thickness, okay? And then, because you want it to be consistent, okay? So make sure you do that. So it's coming along, it's looking good, okay? I'm gonna have one more like that. And I can't remember if grills, I don't think they go the other way, like this. But if you want to, you can. You know what? I am going to do it this way. But I'm just going to do two. Okay? All right. And then, let me get this out of the way. The last step is just make some thick coils so it can stand up. And you stick it on the bottom like this. But I mean, you can use whatever colors you want. Okay, you want to be careful that you don't squish the barbecue. Okay. And then I'm going to get the other legs on here. Just like this. And then one more. Just like this. Okay. And I think I'll put it on this side. And then there you go. We got our grill. See? Our grill right there. Now, if you want to, okay, if you want to, you can make your dad out of clay. Here's my dad, okay? And then he's standing at the grill, and I'm sure your dad would be happy to see himself. I know my dad's going to be happy, okay? So, with that being said, I would love to see your grill and maybe your dad if you decide to make it. Go to MrMushMakes.com, upload your artwork. We'd love to see what you created. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really means a lot to us. All right, well, with that being said, I will see you next time. Peace.